What do you think?
Sweetie, I don't know if I'd use this thing.
What does it do?
Well, it says right here that you, while you're washing your hair, that it looks like it takes water off of the shower. It says it makes 1 cup per 12 gallons of shower water. Multitask Dream.
That's it? Doesn't do anything else? Huh. What do you think? What do you think, Mike?
I'm still reading about it.
Does it do everything?
Let me see.
It's pretty lightweight for all that
It is.
equipment.
It is.
Is it getting any better?
Well, they got all kinds of stuff.
Well, open it up. Let's check it out.
It looks like it's got something to do and soap dispenser.
Well, open it up. Let's check it out. And read that too. Read the little yellow tabs. There's yellow tabs. What's the yellow tabs say?
Settle down, your real gift is inside. Prank you. Oh. God, I kept thinking, what the hell is this thing? Oh, you damn girl, you.
You're trying to figure out how am I going to act excited about this.
Oh, Don Michelle. God damn you.
I got the whole thing on tape.
Oh, yeah.